Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare n8n versus Langflow and figure out which one is better in 2025. If you're exploring automation tools or building AI powered workflows, this guide will help you pick the right one. First, let's look at n8n. It's an open source automation platform that lets you connect different apps, APIs, and databases with endless flexibility. You can run it in on your own server, customize workflows, and have complete control of your data. It's great for developers and teams that need advanced automation. On the other hand, Langflow is built for AI. It gives you a visual drag and drop interface to design and test applications using large language models. If you want to quickly prototype AI chatbots, knowledge apps, or smart assistants, Langflow makes the process much simpler without code deep coding. So which one is better? If your focus is general automation and system integrations, n8n is the better option. But if your main goal is experimenting and building with AI, Langflow is the stronger choice. Thanks for watching this n8n versus Langflow 2025 guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons. See you in the next one.